What's up, peeps? My name is Zina, and I'm aging ethically. Okay, oh my goodness, there is so much drama within the beauty community on YouTube right now. It's May of 2019 and all kinds of things are happening. Seeing all this stuff go down kind of inspired me to go in a different direction, because this drama that's going on in the beauty community and any of the drama that ever goes on in the beauty community is none of my business. I don't know any of the people involved. I don't judge any of the people involved. I just like to come onto YouTube for really great makeup videos and tutorials. I love to see artists do all kinds of makeup, whether it's campy or avant-garde or glam or casual. I just love looking at it. I love playing with vegan and cruelty-free makeup. I love applying weird sort of looks, and YouTube gives me an outlet to do that. It makes me profoundly sad to see so much negativity in this community. So I've come up with a new feature on my channel because I want to put out positivity to the universe through my little channel. I don't want to talk about drama. I don't want to talk about negativity. I just want to have fun. I want to support artists. I would love for you to learn about makeup artists through my channel. It doesn't matter if it's a huge influencer, a super famous makeup artist, or up and coming. I want a permanent spot or playlist on my channel to feature them. So I am going to start Featured Artist Fridays. Now, I'm not going to post a featured artist every Friday. It could be like once a month, maybe twice a month. I'm going to take inspiration from and highlight, showcase, if you will, an artist to share with you guys. We really need to support each other in this community in life. We need to spread compassion and positivity because love is the answer. My very first Featured Artist Friday showcase will be an artist known as I.am.the.rabbit. She has a YouTube channel, and I'm going to put all her social media links down below. She uses all cruelty-free makeup, and I love her so much for that. And I just adore her. I love her cute little face. And today I'm going to be following one of her tutorials. I may follow the tutorial exactly. I may stray a little bit. I may add some of my own little personal flair. But the whole point of this is I want you guys to meet I.am.the.rabbit, and I want you to love her as much as I do. This is the Frosted Lavender tutorial. And again, I'm going to put all of her social media links below. I'm going to do the best I can with this look, and let's go. Well, guys, this is my first Featured Artist Friday showcase. Thank you so much for watching. You guys, this is the Frosted Lavender tutorial from I.am.the.rabbit. I'm going to include her social media links down below. I love her so much. She is absolutely the cutest. Do go check out her Instagram, check out her YouTube, check out her socials. Thank you so much for joining me tonight, guys. I'm really enjoying this. I think this is going to be a very fun addition to this channel. I hope other beauty people on YouTube do this as well. I think it's important that we all support each other and step away from the drama. Instead of canceling people's careers, we should be enhancing each other's lives. I mean, it seems basic, right? It seems like common sense, but I think people sort of get caught up in drama and they get caught up in negativity and they have their own things going on in their lives and they find it to be like an entertaining distraction. For me, I think it's just way too negative and I'd rather focus on the positive. I post new videos every Monday and Friday, so do check back on those days and subscribe. I would love for you guys to join my little family. Thanks again, guys. Really, thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.